Hey guys, now we go to the outside, and in front of us is the Hotwav Hyper7Pro, and today I'm going to talk about my features and have a very quick hands-on video and IP68 rated testing video, 68 rated test video about this device. First, to check the appearance. Very rugged design, but they just put a lot of, not some, functions into this phone. So for the camera part, it's powered by 200MP AI Hyper camera, main camera, second camera, and the night vision sensor, second screen. Campers, camera, music. This is the camper light, and also the leather material, the back panel. The stereo surround dual speaker, stopper, push to talk button, SIM card slot, volume button, power button combined with the fingerprint button, frame, metal frame, very rugged design, leather material, camera zone, thickness over 14 thickness millimeters because battery is 10800, big battery. And okay, we can go to the front side, check the screen. Is a wardrobe screen. So this is the screen is sink into the frame. For corners are enhanced, and for the front side, the frame edge is higher than the screen to protect it from this angle. If we drop it from this angle, can protect it. Okay, camper light, customized SOS, super. We can try. Okay, nice. In the day, you can still find this camper light is powerful, super. Whoa, shiny. From this it's easy to get it. Constant full. This means the light is constant on. You can adjust brightness from full, half, and quarter. Okay. So I think this is function is very powerful, especially when you at night or you go outside a cave, a dark place, or camping something. Very useful. Okay, so this is called a camper light. Also you can camper light set times for it. But it's not will easily hurt your eyes, so do not shine into eyes when camping light is on. Okay. Very cool. Camera. This time powered by as I mentioned 200MP Hyper AI camera. First, okay, selfie, hi. Then megapixel. Okay, 3 seconds around. Normal picture. Video. Okay, very short video test. Video. Now I'm at the back side of my house, and it's a hill. The hill, and you can move, walking. From the green to the ground to the trees and to the bamboos to the sky. Okay, a short video test. I put all some videos and pictures at the end of the video. This is the night. Okay, it's better to test it at night. Night vision, just a gray white color. Okay, you can check it later at the end of the video. This is a quick, simple test of the Hotwav Hyper7Pro. Hope you like it. But comment and let me know your thoughts on this device, and later we'll have the waterproof IP68 rated test. Bye bye. Test video. Now I'm at the back side of my house, and it's a hill. The hill and move, walking from green, brown to trees to bamboo, sky. Okay, short video test. Look at this camera up. So okay, and this, yes, everything's fine. Nice. Hotwav Hyper7Pro camper light test. Okay, provide a customized application and warning: do not shine into eyes when camper light is on. Yes. Whoa, this is SOS. Super. Constant full. Half. So this to adjust brightness. Quarter, half, full. It's very powerful because it's long. The light can go to the long place with no light, with light. Okay, very nice, convenient design. This is the Hyper7Pro from Hotwav. Bye bye.